Did you know that babies can start hiccuping in the womb as early as the first trimester? Most moms feel these adorable little hiccups in the second or third trimester. These gentle, rhythmic movements are actually the baby's diaphragm practicing for breathing. For moms, it feels like a light tapping or fluttering, totally different from those big kicks. The good news is these hiccups are completely harmless. They're a sign that your little one's respiratory system is developing perfectly, getting ready for life outside the womb. Isn't that incredible?